Hey everyone, what's up? Let's see how to add an intro video in Fiverr. So this is my Fiverr profile. You have to scroll a bit to add intro video, and as you can see, this is the intro video option. So let's click on the add intro video. Then here is this some requirement, video requirement. The length should be 20 to 60 seconds, and minimal resolution should be 1280 into 720, and aspect ratio 16 into 9, landscape, and file size maximum can be 5 GB. Okay, so our video is hit all requirements, so let's click on upload your video. Click on it. You have to select your file from here, your favorite folder, and as you can see, this is my intro, and click on it and open. Then here you go, this is, you will see the preview of your intro video. If I want to run, I can
Hello
run it.
there. Thank you.
So this is the video. So that's it. I upload the video, and then I have to just submit the video. Then Fiverr team will review this video, then they will approve. Okay, so click on submit, and yes, I confirm this video was created by myself. Don't include any contact information. Yeah, exactly. So this is the reminder to don't share the personal information throughout the video. Okay, so let's upload. So now it's uploading. As you can see, this is the countdown timing. As you can see, we are almost done and 100% completed. Our video is uploaded. Okay, and now it's pending. As you can see, your intro video is being reviewed for approval. We will let you know when the review is completed. So that's it. Now Fiverr team will review this and it will approve. So that's it. This is how you can add your intro video too. Oh, that's it for today. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.